Hello folks, John here at E.C.D Auto Design down in Kissimmee, Florida. Today I want to talk to you about why a classic Mustang should be in your garage. As you may know, recently we started offering classic Mustangs, mainly years 68, 67, which are probably the most iconic out of the heritage models that people look after. Certainly, there's no doubt that these cars are absolutely stunning to look at. You have this iconic shape, timeless design that even people today love, of course. Also, the visual connection that you have when you're driving these vehicles and the fun that you have, of course, while enjoying them is uncomparable to vehicles of today. And of course, not only do they look amazing, but they're also a strong investment for future value, since most of these tend to preserve it really well, and it's something, of course, that will benefit people in the long term. Now, of course, the advantages of doing a custom build with ECD are that you are going to be able to dictate what style you want for your car. Whether you want to bring a vehicle back to its glory days, where it looks just like it came off the factory today, or if you want to further personalize it and make it your own, something extra special, or something that didn't look like it was back in that time. Either way, of course, we're here to help, and that's part of the ECD design process, of course, in which we take into consideration every detail that is important to our clients in that regard. Now, lastly, as you may know, there's a huge following of Mustang enthusiasts worldwide, and here in the States, of course, it's incredibly strong. So opportunities for events, socializing, sharing experiences, of course, and even creating friendships that could be long-term, of course, is a fantastic experience, of course, for folks who are able to live through that and also becoming part of the extended ECD family. And you will meet all sorts of people and be part of events and things of that nature that we'll be also taking part of all around. So looking forward to seeing you out there and hopefully get a chance to build you an amazing custom Mustang.